Alright,
Get
guys.
to the grassy land now.
Norm, nice flying. I'll probably be back on maybe a couple hours here. Right away.
Copy. Are you still gonna be doing combat controller scave, or are you gonna get back up in the air?
Let's get into Mekala. Fucking take that back over, make it our own.
Okay, toss me back squad lead for time being, so people can squad deploy on me.
User disconnected from
Let's
the
do a
channel.
slope.
Do you need a gunner, Norm?
I need to make a store run at this moment. We should all be on Amerish. Let's focus our forces into Mekala. We're gonna drop into standard ops.
User joined your channel.
Standard ops with Hammer 1 taking lead. So Hammer 1 check in, first platoon check in and confirm.
Okay, Ortho will be gunning for Normandy.
Keep gnawing on this east side, and I will be back. First platoon leader confirm.
No, it's Amerish.
Right on, guys. What to do? Just take control. Take control of this side of the map. TR is the biggest threat, so let's break their spirits. Once we break their spirits, we know the VS have no backbone, and we'll own this alert all the way through.
Detected. They're dead. But not the biolab.
Sorry, guys. I thought I was pressing command.
Should we focus on the enemy activity areas and just sweep and clear them?
Possibly. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. That puppy reaver.
I'm recording this too, Norm, by the way.
It better be recorded the right way. God damn it. Get to flight ceiling over warp.
It is.
And rally up.
In 1080p gloriousness.
Okay.
I got a mosquito right over the biolab.
We haven't even headed out, buddy.
Copy. Group up on bio. Head to platoon.
Are you in the air?
It's Pig on all call. Before I AFK, I just want to announce the next official SOE dog tag set winner. That will be Wheeznodle. Congratulations. On the forums, Wheeznodle, you need to send me a PM with your full name, mailing address, and what you want.
Okay, now head to Michaela. Head to Michaela.
Also, guys, we have
Fully zoom out your map, though, when you're recording.
So if any of you are, a lot of us can afford our own station cash. We've got a lot of college kids, whatever, people down on their luck. If you need station cash, if you really never had it, send me a chat on TeamSpeak sometime in the next 10-15 minutes, and I will get that out to somebody that actually needs it when I return.
User joined your channel.
You know how to zoom out the mini-map, Ortho?
Yep, got it.
Copy.
I just don't like how it covers up the information sometimes, though.
What I ended up doing is I put the map zoom on my scroll wheel, and I do it on the fly that way, and I just use my number keys to switch weapons.
Oh. Are you talking about zooming out, or
any targets thus far?
I don't see anything.
Yeah, zoom in and zoom out on the mini map. The like opening bracket zoom out, not maximizing the mini map.
Oh, okay, yeah, I got it.
This is Gold 1. I got a Mossy on me, bringing him over the objective.
Copy altitude.
Low alt, 200.
I see him. Engaging. Oh, you got two on you. Oh, now there's one on me. Nice.
Thanks, guys. There's one on 9. Another one vectoring in.
Yep, marked him. Compromised.
Hey, Mossy low over actual rocket plotting the spawn room. Heading north.
He's down.
Good kill.
Nice kill.
Or
Oops.
Enemy.
good
flew
forcing
past
up to
me.
suicide. Location, altitude.
Over
Enemy
split
liberated
peak pass.
2-3 southwest.
Copy. Split peak.
Over Silver Valley now.
User in your channel timed out.
Mossy on 6.
User entered your channel.
Enemy liberator south of Split Peak Pass. Heading
User
west.
joined your
Enemies
channel.
over Silver.
Copy. Let's group up on Split Peaks. Group up on platoon waypoint.
Yeah, motherfucker!
Norm, that lives shooting
Like
a Dalton
lots
at
of
it.
ground units over
That's out of
Silver.
range now.
A lot of Mozzies southwest.
Pull and lib anyone want in, or anyone need a gunner.
Okay, get your aircraft facing
Mossy at Split
northeast
Peak,
front
going
over
south.
platoon. Copy.
Large
I-
engineer protected
Low.
southwest.
Okay. Southwest. Let's get over Iraq,
Enemy
guys.
Galaxy over. Araxicom.
He's low.
Platoon waypoint is updated. Engage enemy air contacts over platoon waypoint. Enemy Mossy over platoon waypoint to the south, altitude 600. Multiple Mossies over platoon south. Oh.
Monkey's bones to rearm.
Advise there was a battle gal.
Enemy Mossy directly over platoon heading south, altitude 460.
McCall's about to
Do I have
pop
a
in
second
about
squad
1
opened
minute.
up?
1 minute from Macau.
Really? It won't let me rearm my fucking air missiles anymore?
Yeah.
Try to get out, get back in.
Sunder on the road
Enemy
going towards
Mossy
Split Peak.
heading over Split Peak
Liberated
Pass.
to the south, high altitude.
Can someone open up a new air squadron?
There's a Bravo squad, but not squad lead.
Hey, let me check to make sure it's open.
Yeah, or either that or they're not listed.
Normandy, you can throw me over to Bravo. Liza.
Copy, Miza.
Mossy on us, Norm, from
Enemy
the south.
Mossy on Normandy over Michaela, altitude.
I don't have angle on him.
600.
He's on fire and dead.
I need tail up a little bit.
Where we get fucking rearm pads? What the hell?
How do I open up the squad?
You have to check private and recheck it, and then it'll give you the option. It's a bug.
Mossy's still on.
Okay, enemy Liberator high over Michaela, almost max altitude.
Wow.
You need to.
Oh shit, we just got Dalton.
By that fucking. Yeah.
Sorry.
I spotted a Sunder.
Where?
Help with this Liberator. He pulled over towards Crux.
He's to the southeast of McCalla Tech plant and the trees. He's down, he's down.
Sorry, Norm, my shooting's terrible
Just
right now.
sighted it in.
Squad 2 should be listed now.
Okay. Clear your targets, then rally over platoon. Rally over platoon. Let's get our guys back together. We're getting a little too spread out. Okay, push southwest. Let's get this lib over Rexcom. He's heading towards Split Peak, southeast, southeast. Get to Split Peak. Negative. Platoon is outdated.
I hear a Mossy Norm.
Stand by for updated platoon waypoint. Platoon waypoint has been updated. All air assets.
We got Mossy on us.
Waypoint.
A lot of Moss is pushing in again from the south. They were delivered off.
Oh, a lot of Mossies here and flag.
Yep.
Oh my god. Your tail should be clear, Normandy.
Striker's got us.
Can you pull, Marcel?
Yeah, warp it. Or do you want to go somewhere closer?
Yes. Warp gate will be